Hi my little nation, it's me Nolina, and today I actually received my wig package. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'm opening it up now. And yes, all 3 wigs are here. Great. So I again ordered a red wig, a blonde wig, and a black wig. It's right here. So I am actually going to start off with the black wig like we did in the last video, and I am actually really excited because I think these were also lace front wigs. I'm disappointed. It's still on the net, but I see that it actually has no lace in the front. Oh, how fun. The length is pretty nice. It has a little bit of wave to it. It's very shiny. The wig cap is decently sized. So the scalp area looks really fake. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really bad. It would look a little bit better with a little bit of concealer over it. Besides the shininess, I actually think this hair looks very natural, if you will. Like if I just started recording and I didn't tell you guys that I had a wig on, I don't think, in this lighting at least, that you'd be able to clock that I was wearing a wig. It has an okay amount of hair. It seems to be shedding just a little bit. So what I really like is these little pieces right here, because it kind of helps from the face just a little bit. See, like right here is the scalp of the wig, and it just looking like if I took away my bangs, it would look pretty bad. Side part. Maybe in pictures this might look good, but in person this looks so crazy. Okay, time for a hat. I feel like this is actually kind of cute. I'm not hating it. Like, I look like I skipped school and shit. Okay, next wig. So, who watches RuPaul's Drag Race? I'm currently watching the first episode of All Stars 5. That song that Shea Coulee danced to, I've been like obsessed with it. And then when Angina had like 2 reveals underneath her outfit, I was like, yes, bitch. Oh, what do you guys think about the rules for All Stars now? Bitch. Bitch. When I heard that the rules were getting like suspended forever, I was like, how the fuck is this gonna work? But sadly, I already saw spoilers of her going against Evie Oddly, and I was really confused before I knew that the rules have changed. I already saw the whole Evie Oddly thing, and I was like, wait, why is Evie back? Like, she already had the crown. Is this gonna be like another BB Zahara moment? All right, so I have a blonde wig here that has pretty decent length to it. Again, no lace in the front, but yet claims to be a lace front. The wig has pretty thin hair. You can actually see the wig cap through the wig itself. Like, it's not a lot of hair on here. So I'm not a big fan of that at all. Very cheaply made. It's soft, but very synthetic feeling. Actually decently sized. I'm liking the wig cap sizes for these, because they fit perfectly over my ginormous head. Wow, what is going on? Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like the hairline at all. I don't even know what's going on. Maybe a side part? No, I don't know. I'm trying to get a good angle, but I'm not really feeling this. It just looks bubbly. I feel like a jellyfish. Let's try another hat. I like it with this hat a lot better. I don't know. Is it just me? Now it's time for the last wig. We've actually gone through this. Sorry. I'm excited. I look fried as fuck, by the way. Like, my hair is just, it's not it. Okay, so now we're gonna try on the red wig. This red in the package looks fucking beautiful. Like, it's a nice wine red. Not a lace front wig, although it said it was. Look at the length on this baby. Wow. Fucking color, and it's soft. The hairline though, and the scalp okay, the wig cap is just a little tighter than the other one. We can do this though. I like the way it fits my head. Bitch, what? I'm feeling my fucking Poison Ivy vibes. Ooh, I should do a whole ass look with this wig. I have red contacts that'll Oh my god. Oh my god. This wig looks really bad, but I love the color. Who am I? It's the hairline. Not even really like, I don't know what it is. I think I just secretly really messed my red hair. I'm feeling like very Mary Jane Watson right now. Alright, so I guess this is it for this video. And if you like this content and if you like these videos, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what video you guys think I should do next, or if you know a really good place with actually true wig descriptions, looking for a good affordable wigs. So go ahead, leave some links down below. This reminds me of like when Ariana Grande had her red hair. This is what it's totally giving me, like those kind of vibes. Alright, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.